Hey, welcome back to part 2 of Nintendo Switch. The unboxing review of the Nintendo Switch Collectible Lunchbox Kit, the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild thing. So where we last left off on is our earbuds. And let me just undo this little twist tie here because it'll be easier to show you some things about this. There we go. So, standard little port down there. Standard little earbuds that are actually kind of, they do have the left and right on there. I don't know if you can see on camera, you probably can't, but that's the right one, this is the left one. And these ones are actually angled, so instead of being straight, they kind of have a little slight angled curve to them when you install them into your ear, which is something that's a little weird. But if we look down here on, let me try getting these straightened out a bit, because you know they just kind of pat this so the screen might curve up a bit. So yeah, on the white one here, it has this little feature on there, and you know it kind of has this kind of off-white, almost the color of the rubber back here. This is not rubber, it's just plastic. What this is, it's like what you could put on your iPhone and other phones for those headsets, those hand-free earbud mic sets. So you could answer a call, not answer a call. I don't have it hooked to a phone, so I can't really confirm that. But if you do have it on a phone and you're watching like YouTube, you could pause the YouTube video without actually taking your phone out and hitting the screen. Play the YouTube video again without having to touch your phone screen. So really cool. How loud are they? I don't really know. Stuff. Here's your screen cleaning kit. Not cleaning, screen protector kit. I'm not gonna open this up. There are a dime a dozen. You could get a ton of these by yourselves with other Nintendo Switch product stuff that they have, collectible kits and stuff, and you get your little applicator card. So yeah, I'm not going to open this up and slide out of the baby, except for this much right now. But yeah, I already got a screen protector on my Switch, so yeah, not going to do that. Here's 2 more pairs of adjustable earpieces. And last but not least, from what they're putting on the box, is our Legend of Zelda. They don't say theme, but is the cleaning cloth. Which actually, this cleaning cloth is nice, it's big, it's fit. So what I mean by big, I mean there's other kits that I had that the cleaning cloth was kind of small and you could definitely put it in your pocket. Or if you have a little Switch case, which actually, let me grab mine. Switch case right there. Yeah, see? The cleaning cloth that they usually give you. So let me kind of move some of the stuff around, and we could kind of do a little cleaning cloth size comparison. Yeah, you can definitely tell this one is way better than this one. This one says The Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild, and I don't know what the heck the theme is that they're going for. Is it supposed to be like waves in an ocean, or is it supposed to be like blowing wind? I really don't know. And this one, as you can hear, it's nice, it's fit. This one, it's just, regular little cleaning cloth. You could get them probably like, I don't know, maybe Dollar Store, Amazon, eBay. Maybe go to a little eyeglass place where you could get, just a little cleaning cloth like this one, which this one's actually pretty big. But yeah, if we just compare them side by side, we'll actually lay them on top of each other. Let me kind of get this squared up a bit. Yeah, come on. A little bit trickier to do this. It's not really working how I wanted it to. I wanted to kind of show you just how much better the other one is. Yeah, I guess that's gonna have to do for the moment. But yeah, as you can tell, this one way better than the little wet one that they give you. But this one, Legend of Zelda blue one, is definitely a lot thicker than this one. So that's why this one I always carry, in my little case, because, well, it doesn't take up that much room and it's thin. This one, I'm probably not going to use. I'm just going to keep it as a little collectible one. But yeah. So, to recap on our 4 main items that they have here. One being the Joy-Con Comfort, Legend of Zelda character design, but no rechargeable, no character danger type of thing on there. So we got that. We got our cleaning cloth. We have our earbuds. And, the little earbud accessory to change it up to the size of your ear, or at least try to. And our cleaning cloth. So, not cleaning cloth. Screen protector. I was just talking about the cleaning cloth. So these are our 4 items that we actually get. A thing to hold a Joy-Con, something to clean our screen, something to listen to so we're not annoying other people, and something to protect our screen, which, why would we need to? Because like I said, we already have tons of these. But, it is nice that they did include one in there. In case you didn't have, like, one of the millions that you could get whenever you buy, a Switch case like this. Or there was something else, one that comes with the Switch. Or there was something else I had. I think I had like 2 or 3 more of these little screens that came with some other stuff. So yeah, these are the 4 things that they give you in there. When really, it should be 5 because... Da-da-da-da-da. Well, I can't really do the sound effect, but you know what I'm talking about. When you open up the little treasure chest, boom, bada bing, bada boom. This is your bonus item, I guess. Your exclusive bonus item that I'm guessing that either Nintendo or Power didn't know what the heck they're doing. You get the Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild Collectible Lunchbox tin that you can put all your stuff in. And if you tell the plastic that's in here, you can actually store a lot more stuff. Now, can you store a Switch in here? Because I know someone probably asked me. Yeah, you can store a Switch in there. How do I know? Let me just move this stuff. Because, well, what do you see in there? You see a Switch. Now, can we store a Switch with our, Joy-Cons on there? With the grips that I have in here take up a little bit more space, but let's just pop the grips on. No, you cannot. So, you do have to take the Joy-Con grips off if you are planning on putting your Switch in here, which obviously I have no idea why, but your Joy-Con will fit in here. Let me see if they will fit. Yeah. They will slightly fit. I mean, they're going to fit a little bit more if you took this plastic out. But to be honest with you, if you need a little stand, you could just put it in there with the plastic like this and have a stand. You can put your Joy-Cons right there if you wanted to, or if you want to make sure that there's a little bit more room, you can kind of put them in here where they kind of tuck in a little bit more, like that, which doesn't do anything. So I would just kind of lay them here or something like that. But yeah, And would I ever put my Switch in here without this plastic and just carry the Switch out? No. I'm not stupid, I'm not going to do that. I'll carry my Switch, honestly, in this. Which is why I bought this. For while I'm traveling. But, yeah. Well, I set my Switch in here once in a while, you know, just like this with the plastic in here. Yeah, sure, of course. I bet if you redid it and probably put it this way, and you took a little X-Acto knife, you could probably cut a hole in this plastic, but you probably have to cut at least 2 holes in there. Take your cable, or maybe what I would do is probably cut like 3 holes in there, probably 1 up here, and then 2 down here. Take the little cable, or buy an extra charging block, which is what I would do, buy an extra charging block. 1 charging block cable through that one, wrap around there, come up and over and through this one. And then, you know, I could set my Switch down here and I could be playing the games while my Switch is charging. Because we all know, Nintendo, you have to bid time on the Switch. I mean, this little off-center kickstand is cheap plastic. It's off-center, so the Switch console doesn't lay flat and even. So, if you made it from a little bit thicker plastic and put it right there in the center, would be pretty awesome. Number 2, well, your god-awful charging port. I mean, you have flat like that. So if you do have it in kickstand mode, if it ever does kickstand, which, you know, everyone's buying third-party kickstands, or they're just 3D printed them, which is way better than the kickstand that comes with this. You can't charge it. You literally can't charge it when it's in its self-kickstand mode. So that means the only way to charge is lay it flat, which is kind of stupid, because if you have it on a table or something, you kind of have to stand or sit in a chair over a table, which is